Good afternoon, family and friends. Great day at Trimax Auto. Just wanted to fill you guys in on this Suburban we just got in. So 2018 Chevy Suburban LT 4x4, Carfax certified, 2 owners, 0 rust. Best tires on it you can put on, Michelin Defender LTXs. And here she is. I'll do my regular walk around. Folks, this vehicle has a brand new transmission ordered from GM and installed. So yes, the transmission is no problem at all. And the transmission is not cheap. So we're looking about a $5,500 transmission plus labor already installed on it that you never have to worry about. And yes, your transmission is gonna go out at one point. Well, in this case, it is brand new. Folks, heated front seats, premium BOSE sound system, navigation, backup camera, power seats on both sides, Chevy hard plastic floor mats all the way around. And over 100 photos at trimaxauto.com that you guys can zoom in and look at it, but it's a Trimax vehicle, so there are no surprises anywhere. Just to let you guys know. So have a peace of mind, please. We've been doing this since 2007 and we do it the right way. Third row seats. No rips, no tears, no fade, nothing. 2018, Carfax certified, 2 owners, Michelin Defender LTXs with plenty of tread, power lift gate. There she is. All right, let's go to the driver's side. Gorgeous color, folks. Gorgeous color. Platinum gray metallic. Yep, she does take 8 people on board. Bench seat on the second row. Rear climate control on the second row. And yes, you can control it from the front. Full sound system. Memory seat. I'm gonna go ahead and close this so we don't have to come back there again. Beautiful car, super clean. I'm gonna get back to that driver's side. I want to show you guys a couple of things. Folks, this is how they run when they are happy. Engine oil flush, all fluids changed, new training fluid, new transmission. Service wise, do not worry. That's what we do for commercial accounts, and our customers who purchase a vehicle from us, they maintain it with us and they get discounted parts and labor rate. So your savings will be quite a bit. We are known for Land Rover and Jaguars, but no European is a problem for us, or Asian or domestic. And we love our Suburbans and Tahoes. All right, back to the driver's side. 4x4 switch, headlights. You can turn off your parking sensor, traction control, lane assist, folks, power adjustable pedals, and collision avoidance system. And you can control the entire info center right there in the middle from here. And there is quite a bit of options, and these ones do get really good gas mileage on the highway. and city mileage improved also. Folks, that's what your dash looks like. Heated seats, digital climate control for the rear. That's for the front, and all the features that's on the navigation screen right now. But beautiful sound system, and you can control everything right there. So everything I'm showing you in much more detail will be in the photos. TriMaxAuto.com. Point of contact is Justin, 757-222-0522. And sales, service, finance, any questions you guys might have, Justin will be happy to help you guys out. Okay, so please, we're here to help you guys out. If you guys have any questions, don't be shy, please. We're here to answer your questions. And thank you for all our out-of-state customers. You guys have been awesome. And thank you for our in-state customers. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. So let's take a look at this gorgeous Suburban with everything closed. 5.3 liter V8, 4-cylinder, 8-cylinder mode. Awesome gas mileage on a full-size SUV. Brand new GM transmission, not a junkyard transmission, folks. So it comes with a very, very nice warranty. And yes, at one point your Tahoe or Suburbans, 2015 and newer, or Escalade or Yukon, Denali and all that, yes, your transmission is going to go out at one point. So this beauty is a Carfax certified, no accident, clean title vehicle. She is available as of today and probably won't stay too long because she's gonna be affordable. Folks, gorgeous day, clear skies, vitamin D, blessings of God. We love you guys. Thank you so much for everything. You guys enjoy it. Thank you.